안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Happy New Year. One of our subscribers asked for a recipe using kimchi. So today we are making something special. Pork rib kimchi stew. Curious about how tender pork ribs and aged kimchi come together to create such rich and bold flavors? Let's get started. Today I'm using pork ribs I bought from Costco. You can also use pork spare ribs, but I've chosen pork ribs for this recipe. Cut the ribs into bite-sized pieces and rinse them in cold water. Next, boil the ribs in hot water for about 5 minutes. This step helps remove any unwanted smell and clears the blood from the bones, making the broth cleaner and more flavorful. Remove the ribs and rinse them in cold water again. Place the rinsed ribs into a pot and add 8 cups of water. Simmer over medium heat for about 30 minutes. This step tenderizes the ribs and draws out a rich, savory flavor for the broth. Slice half an onion into appropriate sizes. Chop 4 green onions into bite-sized pieces. Cut the well-fermented kimchi into manageable sizes using scissors. After simmering the ribs for 30 minutes, add the prepared kimchi to the pot. Pour in 1 cup of kimchi juice to enhance the broth flavor. Next, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, half tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of tuna fish sauce or soy sauce. Cover the pot and let it simmer over medium heat for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the sliced onion and chopped green onions. Let the stew cook for an additional 10 minutes. Adjust the seasoning with the salt if you need it. Savory and flavorful pork rib kimchi stew is done. Serve it with rice and pair the tender ribs and savory broth with the kimchi for an irresistible meal. You can also try with some seaweed for an extra delicious combination. With this stew, you will be finishing a bowl of rice in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try.